So you're using Safari on your iPad and suddenly it got split into two windows and you are stuck. Don't worry, we'll show you how to get out of it. Safari Split Window View is a feature so you can browse two websites at the same time. Maybe you want to watch a video online and browse another website at the same time. You can get into Split Safari Window View by tapping and holding onto the website tab at the top, drag it to either left or right of the screen until the screen split up, let go, and that's it. The only way to get out of this view is pretty weird, to be honest. You cannot drag the tab back to the original window and merge them. They just won't merge. If you drag the middle bar to the side hoping that it will close that window, it won't. It will just temporarily hide that window. You will be able to open it back up when you go to multitask screen. Now you have two Safari apps open. Great. In order to close the Safari Split window, the only way is to tap and hold on to the double square icon at the top right of Safari until you see the second menu. You will see an option called Merge All Windows. Tap onto that. Now your Safari is back into one window view. That's a lot of work, but it works. That's it. If you want to learn more about different tips and tricks using your device, leave a comment below and your ideas are always appreciated. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.